Hi there, welcome to my channel, and let me teach you today how you can perform a sexy chair dance at home. I will teach 8 easy beginner-friendly moves. Make sure that you have a chair. My favorite one is this metal one without the arms on the side, but you can use any chair that you have at home. So let's start with the first movement. This is going to be a sexy sit and stand. So you're having your hands placed around the inner thighs, little touch until till the knees. And then from there, you're going to do a stand. You're going to stand up with the booty out. So touch as you sit down to the knees, from thighs to knees, and then booty out when you stand up. Okay, so the next movement gonna start with sliding your foot on the floor, but make sure that you have your toes on the ground, pointing the toes, and then the slide gonna end up being a kick. So it's a slide to kick. That's the second movement. We'll repeat it 3 times total. So you have one more repetition from this, and actually the third repetition gonna end up being a shoulder cycle. So the third movement is a shoulder cycle. Alright, let's do it from the beginning. Sexy sit and stand. So booty out, touch down, let's repeat it. You can shake your booty after you stood up, and then slide and kick. And then as we talked about that, after the third slide and kick, immediately you're gonna perform a shoulder cycle, which is great for the core strength. And from there, you're pointing your toes on the floor, arms up, do a little body touch, upper body touch, and then from there, you're gonna lean forward with a half trunk circle. Just perform a half trunk circle. Nice. Let's do it one more time. And from there, right away, you have your legs together. After that, still pointing the toes, forward touch. And as you're coming up, you're going to perform a leg spread. This is not very beginner, so be careful with this. If you have any hip issues, maybe spread one leg at a time and then the other one, or bend your knees. After repeating this movement one more time, you're gonna cross your legs, because that position gonna set you up for the next movement, which is going to be the forward leaning sexy walk. When you do the sexy walk, you cross your legs, and then from there you're gonna do the next movement, which will start with a reversed sit. From the reverse sit, you spread your leg. Let's practice the last 2 movements then. Forward leaning, sexy walk, you're crossing your legs, reverse sit to spread leg. Good, and then from there, you're gonna do the last movement, which is an upside down hang off the chair, and then you can finish with a nice pose. Yes, so let's go through everything from the spread leg. So after you spread your legs after the forward touch, you cross your legs. From the cross legs, you do the sexy walk while crossing the legs. Then a reverse sit. From the reverse sit, you spread your legs, and then after that, you do the sensual upside down. So hang off the chair, and then you nicely can close with that sweet sit at the end with that nice pose. Okay, and then we can go from the beginning. Just follow what I'm doing, and we piece it nicely together. So from the stand, as you see it, you touching your inner thighs to your knees. Let's stand up one more time, and then after the next sit, just as you slide your foot, you kick, slide, kick, and then slide, kick. Right after that, the shoulder cycle. Then from that, we have a spread leg sit, touching the toes on the floor, arms up, touching yourself, and instead of leaning forward, you just touch and lean forward, and then right after that, let's spread the legs, cross your legs, turn around, crosswalk, reverse it, yes, spread, and hanging off the chair, and nicely close with that nice pose at the end. So this is our little little chair dance move. You can do this, it's like around a minute, and then continue it your own way. Thanks for being here, see you in the next video.